What is up, guys? Another 86 day. So we're going to Elvin today. We are gonna continue on the interior, paint the center part, and maybe continue on the rear part as well. After that, we're gonna install the dashboard so that the remaining wiring can be continued. So yeah, see you guys at Elvin. Bersama kita hari ini di TV3. Idea. Tunggu ada nama tu deh.
Bos berita lepas.
Dah tune baru tu kah?
Aku tahu sekali.
Misteri baru. Adakah? Tui. Buka bed. Next dyno tu pecahkan tak? Oh. We are at Elvin and today's work. Liang is with me. He's brushing up some of the interior. And right now, what we want to do is, because we want to paint the middle part over here. But then the gearbox is being held by this rope, and I actually want to take out this rope. So that means the only way to take out that rope is we have to mount the gearbox at the bottom. So what do we have to do? I have the new gearbox mounting, which is over here. This is my new gearbox mounting. Then I have to change the bottom one. That's the old mounting. So yeah, let's do that. Interior already brushed. The center part is already painted also. I didn't really record the process, but yeah, it's kind of dark, cannot really see. Mounted the gearbox mounting already, so the gearbox doesn't have to be tied up using the rope. So what we're doing now is gonna put in the dashboard and the seats. Liang helped me out on the seats just now, and the center support, which we already resprayed. Over here, it's kind of dark, cannot really see. Oh, so dark! Stick that back in, then dashboard can go in, and also the seats, the railing has been painted to avoid more rust. And yeah, Dao's house is over here. And thanks Liang for brushing my seats and my center support dashboard. So yeah, let's install the dashboard. Okay, it's like this. This one is usually facing towards outwards. So, nani correct? Nama? I turn off kah? Yeah, I turn full.
Full lah, sure. The
Yes.
chat will stick off.
Never mind one. Kita can chat again.
Okay, dashboard.
Center support in. And dashboard time. Dashboard is a bit to do though, because there's a lot of screws, but then we just mount the bottom point here.
Where is the screw?
Here. Oh, the support.
Then what is this metal? Mana?
Good question, yeah. I don't remember that screw at all. You know what? Okay, let's just stick the dashboard. Nice.
Okay, sweet.
Perfection. Yeah, there's like screw here, screw there, and your side is also quite obvious.
Where is the screw?
Yeah, here. God damn, there's a lot of screws. Lekalo. Alright. Yeah.
I think that one is driver.
Doesn't matter, those it's all the same.
Driver. Kaki lain.
Naga.
Yes. See,
Masakan.
cannot. Kaki lain. Yep. Yep. Kaki lain.
Oh.
See.
Fuck.
I told you.
Moving the seat to the other side. Seat into.
Mounted.
Yeah, me. Yeah, hold on.
It's supposed to be this thing if you here.
That thing kan ada mounted. Should be this one is driver lah.
Yeah. Oh, I know why already.
Right.
Off. Tapak kaki niya. Sichun. Ambil keluar.
Because pintunya dan dua seat nombor.
Oh.
Lock seat on. Two bucket seats. Recaro, wow, all that stuff. Hey. Okay lah, that one. Enough already. Wow, so fast it looks like a car already. Man. That one you have to turn Liang using the size what size was it? Size 12. Punya spanner. Ni pada turun. Okay now.
Lagi.
Yeah.
Okay, steady. Sweet.
Bucket seats are already in and dashboard as well. Not fully in the screw. Then the center dashboard support is meant for Elvin to do the wiring, but most probably he's gonna take out all this one of the seat or something. I'm not sure, but yeah, actually looks like a car already. So fast, man. So fast. Thanks to Liang making pandai kira the gigi of the kaki and those.
You also don't know.
1, 2, 3. So yeah, that's the update on 86 today. The wiring, yeah, as you guys watched from the previous video, enter through the gearbox tunnel, goes inside here. Then Elvin can do the routing for the wiring, then which goes back and to the battery at the back here. So yeah, so far that's the update. Looks pretty cool. Look at that. And this part of the wiring will move through the back, most probably, you know, over here, and then battery will move over this side. So yeah.
Battery. Anything left?
No more.
Hitam-hitam tu kan biasa orang spray hitam kan lah.
Ah,
Carbon.
Lah.
celaka. Everything also want carbon.
Okay.
Yeah, finish already. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Liang, end the video.